Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk verify and bulk validate emails in Google Sheets. It's super easy. We're just going to supply a list of emails and then we're going to verify their validity. So it's going to check whether it's an authentic email by checking a number of different factors just to give you high rates of delivery and make sure your list of emails is valid for whatever purpose you need it for. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need is the Sleuth Google Sheets add-on. This can be installed from the Google Workspace Marketplace. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description so you can just install it there. Alternatively, you can install it directly in Google Sheets by opening up a sheet, going to Extensions, Add-Ons, Get Add-Ons. Wait for this to load, then just search up Sleuth, and then you're just going to want to install this add-on. Once you have it installed, go to a Google Sheet, then click Extensions, and then go down to Sleuth and click Start. Now this will open up the sidebar, which gives us the steps to just get it working. Really easy, just 3 steps. Basically, click the button here for setting up the sheet. This just gives us the format that we wanted. So it's going to set up email and status columns and also freeze this. Now we need to add the data. So we just need to add all our emails into the emails column. I'm just going to add some dummy data. I'll set this to example.com. Then I'll put in our email address. So these top 2 should be valid. And then in terms of this one, I'll just for the sake of demonstration, I'll put an email that we know does not exist. And so we are expecting these top 2 to be valid and then this one to be invalid. So now we've got all our emails. Obviously, you can add a ton more. Just keep adding them into the emails column. Once you've got them all, then go to Run Validator and just click Validate Emails. Now it's going to show the pop-up, and it's 3 out of 3 done. Email validation complete. As you can see, just as we expected, valid, invalid. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to bulk verify and validate your emails directly in Google Sheets. This is arguably the easiest way to do it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.